The Life for Life project in Brookline gave us an opportunity to solve two very difficult problems that the restaurant owner had. He had a concrete floor that moves quite a bit and cracks because of trains that are right in front of his building on Commonwealth Avenue. And he wanted a decorative concrete floor with multiple colors, and his concrete would not allow that. So we had to solve both of those problems with a floor system that was integrated and ultimately finished to serve that purpose. So on Commonwealth Avenue, a lot of trains go by and buildings move. This old building that was used once to store cars was now going to be a pretty high-end restaurant. And in order to give the customer what they wanted, we had to begin with a flexible membrane over the entire floor. So the floor gets prepped as usual, diamond grinded, made ready for coatings. We apply this flexible epoxy material, and then we apply a fiberglass matting over that. We then apply the same flexible coating over the top of the matting. On top of that, we apply a special primer with sand to receive a new concrete cap that will be approximately a ½ inch thick. This cap is a specially designed concrete that can be placed at that thickness and still be quite strong. And then we grind over the concrete as if it were a regular concrete floor. We can also apply, and often do apply, the various stains and dyes to the floor to give it color, which we did here. Subsequent to that, we were polishing the floor and sealing it with a special sealer that allows them to keep the floor maintained. This floor is a very durable floor, and it will minimize, not completely eliminate, the cracking problems that would have been prevalent in any other system. That system was a good selection for that client because of his design needs. He really wanted the floor to reflect his priority on design, and this floor just looks gorgeous when you walk in. It really pops. It looks great with the rest of the design that he did there, and it just melds so well into what this particular owner had in mind. This floor system will last for many years into the future for this particular owner. The main thing with restaurants, and especially with polished concrete of any type, is that the owners maintain it. It needs to be periodically reburnished and a new application of sealer put on it. Without that, the concrete tends to become flat, dull, and hard to clean. So periodically, that needs to be done by a professional. That is one drawback to the system, but it must be done annually at least.